Can you buy or sell a home in southeastern Minnesota without losing thousands of dollars on your bottom line? Well, we all want that, right? But you need to do a few things. First, you need to make sure that you hire a real estate agent when looking to buy or sell your home. Hi, I'm Kelly DeMail, owner and associate broker of DeMail Real Estate at eXp Realty. That's an awesome question, and the answer is yes, you can. All this talk about working with companies to buy or sell a home without an experienced realtor or hiring a discount broker who will sell your home for next to nothing makes me crazy. They lack the experience to be able to actually compete with agents and brokers who truly know how to outperform them in experience, negotiation, and sales. Buying or selling a home is most likely one of your largest assets, with only your body's health being more important. So now, if you needed an operation, you wouldn't do it yourself, would you? Nope, me either. When hiring a doctor, you would want somebody who specializes in fixing whatever body part you're having trouble with. For example, if you broke your hip, you wouldn't go to a foot doctor or a discount doctor. You'd go to an experienced doctor who specializes in hips. So, do the same with your real estate and mortgage professionals. Their experience and knowledge will help you capitalize on your investment by knowing the market and the right programs that best fit your needs. So hire someone experienced. Lastly, what about negotiations? What if you were being sued? Wouldn't you want to hire the very best attorney to keep you out of jail or to keep more money in your pocket in case you have to pay out? Of course you would. You'd want to hire a good attorney who can negotiate to keep you out of the slammer or from possibly going bankrupt. Well, your home is no different. Remember, it's most likely your largest investment. So be careful not to hire an agent whose only card that they can pull out is to reduce their commission. If they don't have the knowledge or negotiating skills to fight for their money, how much will they actually fight or negotiate for your money? So take my advice. Being a specialist, having lots of experience, and knowing how to negotiate is the right choice when purchasing or selling your largest investment. I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate at eXp Realty. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live.